Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you the slime we have made.
Yeah.
So we're filming on both of them. So Bentley's right there.
Yeah.
So
this is going to be a slime video.
Yes, and he has a channel, so go check that out.
Yeah, it's Bentley Dillard.
Yes. So the first slime is this one. It's in a Play-Doh container. It's pink. We're going to be putting them in this, like on this tent. It's pink. So sometimes it breaks, but it's really good slime.
Yeah.
It's crunchy. Sometimes these fall out though. That's okay. So,
and the next one, we have a clear one
with glitter. This is store-bought, by the way, so it's not really good. But it's really pretty. Stop taking them out. Next is this one. So, well, and Bentley's going to get the next one for us. And he is going to introduce this. This is his first video. So, introduce it.
This one's called Slime.
So, Slime DIY. That's the company that it came from.
It's very soft, watery, and it has like star stickers in them. So cool. And
no. The next one is this slime. It's not very well since I added like a lot of activator to it. The next one is this pink one.
But it's cool.
It was gold at first, but then I added some of the
colored.
Yes, it was gold at first, but then I added this purple paint.
Yeah, this is the gold slime, ain't it?
Yeah, then I added purple paint to it, and it made it this color.
That's how big it was all together. Dang, that was big.
Pink and purple.
Because you never had it
purple
all
and
together.
blue glitter, and then it has these little heart glitter.
Yeah, Morgan's all about decorating her slime.
I love it.
And she loves it. She's in love with her slime.
This one kind of smells like paint, though.
But we like any slime that there is.
Yeah. So that is all our slime. So we have this one, this one,
this one, this one, this one,
and that's it. So this
goodbye, and we love you.
Okay, make sure you give a big
thumbs up
and click that red subscribe button down low. Bye.